Hello folks, Mark.Kelson here today. Beautiful Junction City, Oregon, to present to you this Phoenix Cruiser 2014 model, 31 foot. Boy, this is a needle in a haystack. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. Well, coming into this coach, it's got a nice wood flooring in here, beautiful colors. And I'll tell you what, this is a luxury coach of its time 5 years ago. You got Corian countertops here. You got nice little recliners right over here. These seats. Coming over here, you got the dinette with the window. The woodwork in this thing is extremely solid. And you have this huge sink right there. It's awesome. 2-burner stove to the right with the microwave convection oven above. You got this curved roof, so there's a lot of space here for taller people. You're going to have a little area right here that, let's see if we can pull that out, for the pantry. Very nice. Stays in there locked when you're going down the road. You got the refrigerator freezer Norcold 2-door right there. You have a little pocket door right here. Coming back here, I really like this feature. You have a twin bed model right here. So you can, if you're a single parent or, you know, a couple people that don't want to sleep together for whatever reason, this is a great option for you. And a lot of room back here, a lot of storage up above, and some wardrobes on the side. It's just a great built coach. Very nice. Coming back in here into the bathroom, you have a corner shower, and it's kind of nice that the bathroom's back here and away from all the living area. Corner shower. You have the commode. You do have a huge closet right there. I don't know if you can see that from right there, but a lot of wardrobe space. Nice little window for looking out, and it's a cool little rig. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. This would be easy to clean up, that's for sure, with that wood flooring. Coming up here, you have the entertainment area up on top here with cabinetry, TV up above. You have the backup camera right below that, and you have your DVD player over here. More cabinets, store stuff in. A lot of storage in this one, but you are on the Ford chassis. This is a 450 chassis. So it's a very heavy coach. Beautiful interior, nice design up there on the dashboard. It's everything you could ever want in a coach like this. Let's go outside and look at it. It's got a couple features that are nice. One of the things that I really like about this coach is the full the paint here and the very sleek frameless windows. You have a big water heater. Let's see if I can open these up. You got a nice storage underneath. Not subject to water in those storage areas. Beautiful simulators. Again, we got the windows right there. And let's see if this will open up here. Well, it won't. It's locked right there. But good storage in the back. You have the awning up here. Huge, full-length awning. Coming to the back, you do have the ladder that accesses the top roof area so that you can get up there and service everything. You do have a roof rack up on top on this coach. You have the backup camera looking at your tow vehicle, and you have a huge 5,000-pound hitch here on the back. This one looks like it has a spare tire, which a lot of them don't, but there's your compartment right there. You have the marine cord option on this, so in the event that there's some sort of situation, your cord is on the outside, you can just unhook and go. That simple. Nice big slide on the side, fits right onto the wall there, and it's got kind of a curved wall, so it fits really nicely and snug. Slide toppers up on top. You have the generator underneath. And this is a beautiful, beautiful coach. 450 chassis, Phoenix Cruiser. Not very many of these around. If this is of interest to you or any of the coaches, give me a call, Mark.Kelson, 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.